Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rotten fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Hello. We are back. Oh my God, what was that? What just happened? I say just because I feel like I'm living history. The SEC says they were compromised. But before we even start, guys, it is hard. It is super near impossible finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. Please hit that subscribe, grow the Ganja Goon Gang. We are growing. And we would love to have you. So I do want to talk about all this craziness with the SEC, but we have to start off with the market. You guys already know the name of the game, and it is crypto. So how's it going, everyone? I already see we've made some recovery back in the global crypto market cap. Yesterday, 1.72 trillion, little bit of a retracement, 1.71 trillion. I'll take it. We were closer to 44K when the news came out. Now we're right around 45, 46K. Not too bad. Quite interesting. Price for Bitcoin, and really the volatility comes with the dominance. So we are going to talk about everything and anything BTC ETF related. I already see Mark Noby. Hello, Teddy and the Goons. What's going on, Mark Noby? We are talking about Bitcoin and really what the SEC did. Like, how the hell could they have done that to us? I don't even understand. Who is to blame? Is it an intern? All the news articles are just about the SEC. So BTC down today, Ethereum solidifying itself. Oh, well, guess what? Ethereum ETFs will have to come shortly after. So that will be a whole run of the mill as well. So, we hold on and we hope. Bitcoin has been crazy. Yes, because of the fake news, the SEC posted and said their X account was compromised. So we are going to talk about that. William, what is going on? Nice to see you, pal. Nice to see you. So as I was saying, BTC dominance continuing to solidify itself, even on the downtrend. 52. I think we were closer to 53 yesterday, but I'll take it. ETH dominance also going up today, but ETH didn't have that volatility like BTC did. So we are going to talk about what it potentially means when the approvals come in now too, because I think there were a few guys that had already sold, and the people that have sold, I think Gary Gensler got his way and used that opportunity to buy it up. So we are going to look at that too. So do not worry. Everything will be discussed and what this means for BTC now. What does this mean, Teddy? Where do we go from here? Whoa, everything I knew has now been changed. So we got to give credit where credit is due. It's like people are just trading places. So Helium and Bonk, the two main guys that I saw. I know Lido DAO, but I actually don't follow Lido DAO, so I cannot tell you if this price action is truly crazy or not. But $3 seems very nice for Lido. Congratulations as well to them. But for the most part, I even want to give a shout out to Arbitrum. We have an article on there as well, but really solidifying itself as a real utility, Helium and Bonk. Potentially, we got more things coming for that Solana ecosystem. So is Solana following the same footsteps as Bonk? Currently not. And for those of you guys that are like, Teddy, what's Bonk? Bonk is the meme coin on Solana chain, right? So we are just keeping track of both. And we're not seeing that correlation between Bonk and Solana, but it's nice to see that Bonk is finally going up. Now, talking about Solana, we are getting another entry into Solana where it's under $100, guys. So when you don't come crying at me when Solana's 200 or 300 and you're like, oh, I lost my entry. I'm like, did it really matter if you got in at 98 versus 105 if Solana's at 300? It don't matter. So don't sweat the small stuff. Just get in if you plan to get in and just wait. Waiting is the name of the game here. I'm in Bonk. There we go. William is in Bonk. So we got to check out the Bonk chart for you there, William. So we'll definitely give that a look when the time comes. Remind me during goon time, sir. Goon time. Um, Let me see what else. BTC is still trending, always good because you know it's not paid. It's real trending. Solana's still trending. SCI did retrace. That was expected. Had a great pump, right? So we're gonna see retracement. So if helium retraces tomorrow or doesn't retrace immediately, don't hate. You know, which should retrace eventually. So we are getting those opportunities again. Sounds like even a lot of things have happened on the helium chain. So I am still very much intrigued and continue to be optimistic with helium. So keeping a good track of it, and we'll keep my eye on it just to see where it's headed to. And for those of you guys that are like, Teddy, why helium? I got into the miners. I waited the full like 7, 8 months for the miner to come in, and I started mining. I mined like 50 something HNT with it. You know, look at me now. Look at me now. $350 worth, and the miner itself costs like $300 worth. Some $50 up. Yes. Hey guys, Telos is the real gem. They have John Lilac on their team now. Wait, Telos. Wow, why does that sound familiar? Oh my god, it's not goon time, Teddy. Don't look, don't look. TL Telos. It sounds so familiar, dude. Don't look, Teddy. Don't look. Don't look. During goon time, we'll look. Can we mine Arbitrum? Arbitrum's just like ETH, so you should be able to mine it. It's layer 2, I believe, so it should be okay. Let me just confirm. Can you mine Arbitrum? You have to connect to the D app. Mining made accessible for everyone. Yes, you can. Arbitrum farming. Oh, dang. People are like mining. Arbitrum users can now train Bitcoin mining power with Arbitrum. You can now train Bitcoin mining hash power on Arbitrum. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, a lot of things happening here, boys. A lot of things. Okay, yeah, very nice. So continuing on with the futures, it is Bitcoin week and it is a 50-50 split, which we didn't think was going to happen, but there is true uncertainty. But if you flip over to the Ethereum side, normally we're expected to that 70-30, still not quite a 70-30, 60-40. I think people are still anticipating that once those approvals come in, which, you know, a lot of people saying tomorrow's going to be the day, then we go live on Thursday, right? That's what people have been saying. The SEC already failed with the premature tweet. So now we sit back and we wait. Let me see here. Also, Metal is going to be an awesome project. Give Axie a run for its money. Metal will be used for its money. Give Axie a run for its money. Metal will be used in the game they're developing. Oh, okay, interesting. What exactly does Metal do? What am I supposed to mine with it? What am I supposed to do with it? I guess is my question. Yeah, I dropped something and don't want my daughter to choke on it, so apologize. All right, I found it. Yeah, this is pretty good. Let me move on here to the news. And the news is very bland today because the SEC, oh man, those guys, they said don't trust any other source except the SEC. The only source to trust is the SEC. And they flubbed. They flubbed a lot, a lot, a lot. They made a post that basically said, hey, uh, today the FCC grants approval for Bitcoin ETFs for listing on all registered national securities exchanges. The approved Bitcoin ETFs will be subject to ongoing surveillance and compliance measures to ensure continued investor protection. And it's got the picture of Gary Gensler. This is the official Bitcoin tweet with the Bitcoin hashtag. Look at this. Look at this. This is Gary Gensler punking us all, the clown himself, boys. Today's approval enhances market transparency and provides investors with efficient access to digital asset investments within a regulated framework. Sir Gary Gensler himself. What a clown. Oh my God. He makes everyone so upset. So 311, the tweet came out. Oh, sorry. 326, Gary Gensler says it took him 15 minutes to get in and realize, oh, wait, it's all wrong. 338, the SEC regained control of the account and deletes original tweet. So it was actually up for a solid 27 minutes. This tweet is up for a solid 30 minutes. People are just going cam if they hadn't seen what happened. And then 342 SEC tweets they were hacked and have not approved ETFs. You really think they were hacked? You really think they were hacked? No. It was going to happen no matter what. It is 100% fishy. Gary Gensler got his opportunity to get in, and that's exactly what happened, right? So, what a freaking clown of events. Oh, it's on Matic. Oh, okay. Interesting. Very, very interesting. So, the clown himself has made himself a bigger clown by yet again prematurely tweeting. I really want Elon to go in there and start tracing IP addresses and be like, wait a second, our record showed the SEC was never hacked. The IP address logged in traces back to the SEC. Wait, it was an internal hack. It's like Gary Gensler himself. Okay, send this tweet out now. Once I send the tweet out, I'm going to have 15 minutes to make my move. And then what the hell was up with as soon as this tweet comes out, what the hell was up with BTC freaking dropping to 44K? It's like, we got it. We got the ETFs. Drop BTC's price, bro. Talk about freaking support, man. We see where your support's at. Get the hell out there. You're going to sell BTC. You're not in for the long term. Just leave. Oh, Zach Humphreys. The show continues tomorrow. Breaking news. Wait, is he live right now? What is this? Oh, yeah, he's live right now. Oh, this is great. I didn't even see this. Zach's looking nice. Who's this guy? Never even seen him. The original OG. Yeah, so yeah, Gary Gensler, thanks, man. Oh, let me see. So yeah, this happened. Oh, what are some of these? Technically, he never said it was hacked or that they lost control of the account. Yeah, he said compromised. Gary never said this was compromised an external hacker. It could have been compromised in internal incompetence. Wrecked. So the SEC Gov can take action is a matter of minutes. BTC, why the F is it taking more than 1 year to get MTLP audited? Sure. FINRA fraud. AMC GME counterfeit shares. Oh, dude, yeah, call him out. Come clean, Gary. We all know compromised, unauthorized, not hacked, just my guess. Yeah. Elon Musk, we need this looked at, investigate at the highest level. At the worst, this is blatant. I agree. Please look at this. It was a real tweet, most likely. Dude, that was such a real tweet. Even with the freaking little message he had, he probably just wasn't happy to say it. He's like, yeah, we approved it, blah, blah, blah. Now they're not going to approve it tomorrow. Another delay. Oh, we prematurely. It's like, hey, you were going to approve it no matter what. Who cares? He's going to somehow spin this. Like, this is crooked Gary over here trying to find every possible way to delay it. Even another day is a win for Gary. Sending up the next level push for security. Imagine the security at the SEC. They really have securities in their name. Leverage BTC longs versus SEC incompetence. Yeah. Almost made it. That's hilarious. Arrest Gary Gensler. Yeah, that's Gary Gensler to prison. SEC and caught red-handed. He doesn't serve to people of USA. He works against American citizens. Although his decisions affects billions of people all around the world. He plays with people's fates in favor of rich and money printing schmucks. He must be punished plus jailed. Yeah. The Bitcoin Neanderthals. Neanderthal? I can't pronounce the word. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Hey Elon, what's SEC stand for again? How about checking those IP logs so we know if it was a security issue or a market manipulation by the SEC? It's gonna be covered up, buddy. Internal employee posted tomorrow's. Yeah, this is hilarious. I love this. I could go. I This is me all the time. Yeah. So I love the article. Really, two different articles to highlight the same point, but I thought it was something you guys should know. This is basically all the news can talk about right now. It is wild. I did end up finding other fun pieces and running through them. Arbitrum. Got to give credit where credit is due. A 2x. This is a 2x since basically last month, and very impressive. Not many coins can say that. And Arbitrum is definitely holding its own. So I think $2 is still very early into Arbitrum. It could go higher. It'd be nice to see the $10 range. They said they were projecting a $3.60 uptick from $1.08. So I'm optimistic when it comes to Arbitrum, only because it's holding its own and it's showing that it's able to play with the big boys. So big fan of Arbitrum. Still believe it is a good opportunity to get in, even with the LP and the market cap. We got room to run with Arbitrum, so could be a nice Solana type run. So, I am getting prepared and I am looking at Arbitrum potentially as my next play. Let's see. I had one more, which was oh yeah, this one. 10 predictions for stocks, crypto, AI, gold, and bonds in 2024. Guys, it's all going great. All the predictions are great. AI is going to be great. The US economy is going to grow 2%. Tech is on the move. Chat GPT drama is going to basically finalize and things are going to happen. The Fed won't cut rates, so people are happy. Nasdaq is flat, so it can only go up from here. That was 6, right? Yeah, 7. Bitcoin pullback, so they are expecting a 15 to 20% pullback before the halving event. So as soon as this um, approval comes in, these guys are actually going, hey, there's going to be a 20% pullback. We could see Bitcoin stabilizing in the high 30s, bottoming around 36K. So we are going to take that into consideration and how they came to this conclusion during the charts segment, but something to look at as well. Over the SEC chair, Gary Gensler leaves regulatory in agency this summer, and the next SEC enforcement chief comes in and actually does his/her job. So they are banking on Gary Gensler leaving in this next enforcement in this next summer. So it's going to be quite interesting. I'm ready. I'm ready for the next guy. Hopefully they will be crypto positive people and not Gary. No more Garys. Gary's is not the thing you want to be. Imagine how the staff must look at Gary. It's like just knowing he's the clown of the internet and you still have to work with him. It's like, how do you feel? How do you feel about this? Oil is not well. Oil becomes one of the most volatile things. Oil is going to get even cheaper. Let's go. No, they're actually saying finishing the year at 77. So we'll see. What was the other ones? Oh, yeah. So as gold. Gold continued to do well, finishing the year strong at 2047 with the high of 2200, right? So EV as well, we got them coming in. GM, Ford, a little bit of the stocks was touched on, but yeah, I like everything. Super positive outlook into what's coming in 2024. I'm ready for it, guys. I'm all about the AI and I'm all about um the SEC and Gary Gensler leaving. So I really hope that BTC pullback really isn't as large as they're predicting, and it continues to make trends up even into the halving. I think this is only one leg up into what is coming. But hey, I'm in it for the long term. If I need to hold, even then, I will continue to hold. I will continue to hold. So, not too worried there. Let me see. I think that was all I had for the news. ADHD. Let me see. We're gonna move on to the charts, to the chats, Teddy, to the chats. I need to look at the chats. Oh boy, it's my favorite segment, the chats. And we get to start off with BTC. So you guys know I was really aiming for that 49K. And then we had that retracement. So 44,398 triple G puts up that level of support. I think that is about where we dipped before the next leg up. Brand new day started. So 44,631, just about 44K. And then we're trying to see if we can make that next leg up. Still positive, right? If we look at the last high and the last low, I still have a positive bears bullish sentiment because I'm still of the 0.618 level, right? So 43,945 is the entry point. I'm sorry, is the support level I would consider. If it does not bounce off 43,945 on a retracement, I still go positive. I'm aiming for the 49,000. So now people are going, hey, BTC is going to have a retracement. It's going to bounce down all the way down to 36K, maybe even 33K, right? So they're really targeting this level. And I can kind of see why, because this is a very quick movement up. Anytime you have fast movements up where Bitcoin really hasn't had time to establish a solid support level, I can see it coming down just as quickly as it went up. So we saw that. Then it tried to establish some support levels, mostly on the bearish trend, and then it made the next leg up, another positive sentiment. So now we're in an area where we have kind of gotten some foreshadowing. If the approvals come in, BTC price went down, right? We saw the SEC go through it themselves. So basically tells you we may not see that much positive movement for BTC once those approvals come in. So if I'm looking to take profits, I guess now is the time I take the profits, because once those approvals come in, how much higher do you guys anticipate BTC to go up? I now look at it, and realistically, I would not anticipate BTC to go up till almost a year after the halving. So I continue um, being skeptical, but going in the optimistic route, just because the chart does speak for itself, and currently it does remain bullish. The Indian oscillator did widen, and we're keeping an eye on it, and that long position stayed on the day for quite some time, guys. This is a long that held throughout, so we will keep an eye on it. Same thing. Ethereum, we're above the 0.618 level, so I go bullish on it. I'm really aiming for 2,500, 2,600. As long as it closes above 2,290, I go bullish on Ethereum. If there is any doubt that, hey, it could go potentially under 2,290, that's when I go, oh, I'm not sure, because now we're going into that bearish territory. So Ethereum definitely holding its own. And we did talk about BNB yesterday with the Indian oscillator narrowing and potential reversal coming into play. So the Indian oscillator continuing to narrow, we still hold that long position that came in December 12th. And you're looking at it now, you look at is under 300 a good level of support, and if you look at BNB's history, 300 is a great level of support for BNB. We've charted that years ago at this point, and we continue to monitor it. So I think if you believe in the Binance ecosystem, and at one point we've had predictions of BNB going all the way, guys, to $1,000, right? And we got real close. So 300 is nothing in the grand scheme of things. I think if you're looking for the entry point under 0.618 level, which was 320 for me, I'm okay. 300 is okay in my book. So I'm feeling pretty good about that. And continuing on, Solana. Now we've had that crossover happen on the Indian Oscillator, and I go, hey, is it going to be quick? And really, the next few days are going to tell us. If this price action doesn't make that leg up, Indian Oscillator doesn't flip, then we're looking at another leg down, right? So Indian Oscillator goes, hey, I'm feeling a bearish sentiment coming into play just with the price action. We got a little bit of reversal coming in. With the market, but unfortunately, I don't think it's going to be enough to actually push this back into that bullish sentiment. But in the grand scheme of things, Solana, I'm looking at 300, right? 260 is I have a level of resistance, but really $100 in the long run does not mean it's a bad entry point. XRP. We moved the fib retracement, and now there is hope again, Teddy. 58.73. That is the level for us to go bullish on XRP, where the Andean oscillator has flipped multiple times, right? Super narrow Andean oscillator. We go, okay, I'm going to get into XRP. I love it. I love it. Shiba Inu making some movement up. So we also move the fib retracement up, and we see price action of 0.618. We assume it's going to continue to go up. But now this is the thing. You look at the Indian oscillator, it is narrowing. We haven't quite gotten the confirmation. Remember, the short on Shiba Inu just came in recently, January 3rd, right? Almost right after the new year, we got that negative sentiment, and we have some people trying to get that reversal into Shiba Inu, and Shiba Inu is an established meme coin, but just from historical past, if when it rains, it pours, right? So if it doesn't hold on to 0.618, be ready, guys, be ready, because Shiba Inu is one of those things where it will follow the fib retracement very well. And same thing with Dogecoin. That short position came in, and we're watching that go down. So next level of support I have at 7 cents, really, but we continue watching that. Pepe, same boat. All the meme coins, same boat, except Bonk, right? So Bonk is very, very different. It's on the Solana blockchain, and it is the tiniest amount of volume because it's still relatively new, not quite too much adoption there with the Bonk token. But you're seeing that reversal candle may play out a little bit more because this is more narrow than any of the other meme coins. So I guess Shiba Inu you can put in the same boat as Bonk. Maybe Shiba Inu is a little bit more narrow than Bonk right now, but Shiba Inu is above the 0.618. And we don't have fib retracement here, but I feel that Bonk may actually break out of this, and this may narrow and flip over again. If there is continued utility and push with the Bonk community, you may see this doing another run. So keeping an eye on it. I'm hopeful, but still skeptical. Bone is just depression. Nothing. I feel like nothing is gonna get us back to where we were with Bone, guys. Like, what is happening? When will it be? When will it be normal again? Still a short. Ugh. Ugh. Crow. 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 Let me see. Red Sox. Oh my God. Where's my Red Sox? Ooh, yeah, not doing so well. Under the 0.618, about to bounce off the 0.382, potentially. Potentially. Let me see. BSV. This is another one we've been following hard. I really am hoping another run for 110. It's a $20 run, and this was quick. So hopefully this continues to establish itself too. AVAX. The short signal came in. It's been ridden. I do expect it could widen if it doesn't stay. This is interesting now. Wild coin. Oh boy. Yo, my entry point was $2 wild coin, world coin, sorry. $2.25. And we're hovering right back down there, and I'm nervous. I'm nervous, boys. I was expecting even more. I was expecting $10 at one point. Pog AI. We were supposed to make it all back. Imagine. Imagine. Actually, we did use that in futures for quite some time. It did quite well. What else do I have? Grok. Okay, how's Grok looking today? Shorts stays. Already. Damn it. We got some retracement. Got some a little bit of narrowing. Oh boy, oh boy. Is a short signal about to play? Ordy needs a miracle. Who's gonna give Ordy the miracle that it needs? Maybe I just proactively go short. Oh boy. Oh man, that's tough. Mex token. Oh, when did we get into Mexi? When did I get into Mexi? Like $2.90 something. I remember being around $3 and there was like this entire push to get it above $3 and then happened and then like retraced down. But like I expected a lot more from Mexi than $2. Maybe we're still early on Mexi and I'm just too blind to see it. Let me look at this again. Yeah, so it's a short right now. We follow it through, but it's a very narrow short. So imagine it widens and you get the long position right there, bro. Imagine this turns into a long. I'd be so happy if this is narrowing long. We push past. Oh, Max token looking real good, real juicy right now. No man, I'm psyching myself up. I'm psyching myself up. This is what I do. I look at the charts. I'm like, oh, these all look good entry points. I guess none of you guys do this. It's only a me thing. It's only a Teddy thing. Oh boy. Let me see. Yeah, very interesting. All right, let me move over to Goon Time because I know there was a few of you guys that had stuff that I want you to look at this for me, Teddy. Can we mine Arbitrum? Wait, did I look at Arbitrum? ARB. I do want to look at Arbitrum price because it has been doing very well. Arbitrum. Purdue. 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 Let's see. Dollar rate. Okay. Okay. I'll take $1 rate, bro. All time high, bro. Snap. Oh, snap, Teddy. Oh, snap. Long position, super wide, Indian oscillator. Oh my god, this just looks amazing. I cannot even fathom when it's gonna come down. It's just gonna make a new leg up and keep going up and up and up. Let me see. Telos. Do I have Telos on here? Telos, Tether, and KuCoin. Let's go. Telos, Indian oscillator, super wide. Long position came in October. It's still holding that long, bro. Holy crap. How much more? Oh, it's got a long way to go for all time high. $1.05, but 24 cents don't seem like a bad entry point, right? It sucks you don't have the 5 cent entry point with 25 cents. Oh, dang, that's a crazy X's right here. This must have been a great ride for the Telos community. Wow, very impressed. Can we see what's pumping on or what's pumping on the Solana chain? Can we see what's pumping on the Solana chain? We can. We can see that with the DEX tools and see what's trending on Solana. Let's do that, buddy. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. So you go here and you change this to Solana. And we got Whiff. Oh, snap. Whiff, how we doing? We making it all back? I got into Whiff at all-time high and it didn't go up from there. So looks like it retraced. Bollinger Bands also appear to be. Oh, it may bounce off the middle band, which it looks like it did. So yeah, maybe it's gonna make another leg up. Wait, there's a Pepe on Solana, Pepe coin on Solana. Yeah, hilarious. It's at 2 zeros too. Oh my god, I'm in the wrong Pepe, boys. 110k LPL, but that LP be low. 14.75k liquidity. Yo, this liquidity is crap. What is this scam, bro? I don't believe Dole. Clippy. 113k LP for 3.3 million. Nah, I ain't feeling that. Triangle. Show me triangle. Dancing triangle. The hell is dancing triangle? What does that do? What? But only 51K. Oh boy, this is the thing. It's so early with these. Like you don't know which one's gonna take off. Ugh, silly. Myro 1.26. No, Sob. Analos. Whoa. What? Hot number 9. Which one are you into, man? What do you want me to look at? Tell me. Silly. Silly dragon. That's Trick Steady, not dragons. Puff the magic dragon. Lives by the sea. Oh, yeah, guys, I have some news I have to share before I forget. Starting next week, there is going to be a change. I only stream 2 times a week starting next week, and I will be streaming Mondays and Thursdays. You will only see me 2 times a week starting next week, and I will be streaming Mondays and Thursdays. Still the same time. The expectation is just from the guys that help me out with the channel and even explore the weird. They're saying that the way the metrics are, I should reduce the amount of time I am streaming from 4 times a week to 2 times a week and give you at least 2 videos a week as well. My daughter just came into the room, so that's why I'm staring away. It has nothing to do with I don't feel connected with you guys. I feel 100% connected with you guys. Come here, Kyra. What you got? What you got? Whoa, look at you. Look at you, Kyra. Whoa. You got a Lambo? She's got a Lamborghini in her hand. Whoa. Nice Lambo. Don't worry. I placed it on my desk. It was a soft setup. Goodbye. She's gone. So yeah, too much Teddy. No way. No way. But you will still have me on Explore the Weird. You'll see me 2 times next week. And, you know, it's going to be a change. And it's a change we go through together. But I promise you, the amount of Teddiness does not change. You will still see me. You will still see me. We will always be together. Mark Noby, you are a real one, sir. You've been with me since the beginning. Don't you worry. We're going to go forever. We're going to go forever. So yeah, I think that was primarily it. Starting next week, Mondays and Thursdays is when I stream. I'll update all my stuff. We're trying to do a whole like rebrand, kind of change up the layout too, because I don't want to saturate the news, and I also don't want to get repetitive, you know, where it's not fun to watch anymore. It's the same thing over and over again. I think having that chunk of time where you're not seeing me daily will help out as well. And we'll see, you know, so some of the things that the algorithm seems to be pushing is passive income, cryptos and stuff like that. So maybe I look into content, into making some videos into that. But definitely, I get it. Burn the supply and drive up the price. Scarcity. Brilliant. Yeah, that's what they're telling us, Mark Noby. That's what they're telling me. So yes, that is it, guys. Also, new video out on Explore the Weird channel. If you guys got time, do check out. Let me go over there. Explore the Weird. We just came out with a brand new video 3 hours ago. Creepy, scary, and interesting rabbit holes that my wife has sent me. So Explore the Weird is my other channel, doing quite well over there as well. Obviously you guys trump them, but you know, one day the goon gangs are gonna come together and it's gonna be the greatest thing. All right, I'm out of here. Goodbye, guys. I will see you again tomorrow. This week we're going full stream ahead. We're gonna get you the remaining shows, and then starting next week it'll be the new schedule. So I'll remind you throughout the rest of the week. And that is it. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Stay safe. And most importantly of them all, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed, get informed.